Resolving conflict rationally. What is conflict? Conflict is a normal occurrence in all types of relationships. Everyone doesn't always agree on everything, so conflict is created. It can be big or small, healthy or unhealthy, but it's normal. And learning how to cope and handle conflict can really help avoid it altogether. So, how do we handle conflict? Well, first we need to understand it. There are different types of conflict: avoiding, false perceptions, competition, leadership roles, differences of needs, as well as large group differences. There are also different styles of conflict. There's competition, compromising, accommodation, and avoiding. All of these styles can lead to larger conflict if not properly handled. Conflict is very normal, but how we handle it can set the tone for how, or if, it's resolved. Take a look at the chart below. Do you see any of the conflict traits in yourself? Are your conflict skills healthy or unhealthy? Maybe they're both. Seeing the traits can help us refine our conflict skills and focus on the ones that we need to improve. Learning how to manage conflict is very important, but so is the ability to reduce the chances of it happening. So some things we can do to reduce conflict are: get to know each other better, increase participation, explore options, and listen first, talk second. So if conflict does happen, how do we resolve it or manage it? Well, there are 5 simple steps: reduce, understand, address, think, and carry out. Step 1, reduce. Reduce the chances of conflict happening before it starts. Be an active listener, be an engaged member of the conversation. Have a positive outlook. If you have hesitations or thoughts, express them and be emotionally aware of others. Step 2, understand. Understand your setting. Gather all the information before making judgments. Identify interests and needs, and focus on the task at hand. Step 3, address. Address the issues. Agree on what the problem is. Try putting yourself in others' shoes. Pick your battles. Ask yourself, is this argument worth it? And try identifying the root of the problem. Step 4, think. Think of solutions. Brainstorm collaboratively. Be open to all ideas. They're just ideas. Consider all options. Try and compromise. And remember, it's not about being right. Step 5, carry out. Carry out the solution. You need to be able to forgive and forget and know when to let go. This step is all about following through with the compromise that was agreed upon. Don't flip-flop or go back. Move on. Remember, it might not seem like it, but resolving a conflict can be done. It takes patience and skills, but taking the proper steps can lead you on the path to a positive resolution.